15.7 points per match, 16 points in the previous contest, and she unleashes a service ace.
Dolorito, sanay na tayo na binabanggit ng pangalan niya, mas lalo pagdating sa scoring. Pero dito sa service aces, ito, isa din eh.
Yeah. So Tapang, again, serving very well! And it's a service ace unleashed by Leia Tapang.
Ito na si Tapang. Mapaharap sa net, mapa-service line, doing her thing. Ito nga sabi natin kanina, Lord and Lady Knights.
That's right. Tulang now, again, serving well. Silva with a better pass. Makilang the push. Drop ball works. We head to our first technical timeout. Pagbalik po natin. Of course, putting that new system in place just last December. At itong Letran sistema ni Coach O. Here's the block. Speaking of Coach O, Martin with back-to-back points.
Ganda nung serve si Tapang.
Oh, that's a quick. It works for Hiromi Osada to stop the bleeding for LPU.
Pero ang ganda ng reception ni Lopez para sa service ni Tapang na sobrang bigat.
In so far nitong Letran Lady Knights.
So 8 errors.
Yeah. Ooh, service ace.
Angel Ledesma.
Ledesma challenging LPU's first ball. We got a timeout here. Angel Ledesma. With a sharp serve. Coach Cromwell, pakinggan natin.
Hit ni Vince Puzon eh.
Martin, set up for LPU. They go back to Jonah Dolorito, who scores a cross-court hit.
Jonah
Ito na, medyo nalilito na rin, medyo nararattle na itong Letran Lady Knights. Kasi nga kadalasan na dinig rin natin kanina sa huddle ni Coach Oliver para sa Letran Lady Knights, na panay down the line lang pinapalo lang netong Lyceum. Tapos biglang dinadalin yung bola.
Brilliant execution from Puzon.
Good serve.
Good serve. Oh, it's a service ace, and now it's LPU at set point situation.
Intense, Martin. Sobrang intense nung laro. Palitan, ang bilis eh. Ang bilis ng side out voting. Ang Letran.
She led LPU with 2 aces in the previous match. Oh,
Again.
and back-to-back aces.
Wow.
For Osada to close out set number 1.
Woo!
LPU wins set 1 in comeback fashion.
Wow. Tying her service aces last game.
LPU. Back set here. A drop will not work. Ito naman si Ian Martin.
Going for the down the line attack.
8 puntos. Jump serve. Lopez with a better pickup. Down the line for Duguna.
Once again, LPU Lady Pirates maximizing that down the line area. Alam nila na medyo maliit si Estrella para sa spot na yon para abutin si Duguna, and Duguna capitalizing over her.
Jonah, pinargahan. Oh, alam mo na. Sabi ni De La Cruz, back quick,
Oh,
back quick.
hindi. Ang ganda rin ng adjustment. At
Iniisip pa rin.
off-speed, oh.
Oh, that's right.
Smart play. Smart pa rin.
Uy, speaking of smart plays, Venice Puzon deceiving everybody with this 1-2.
Ganda ng basa ni Vince Puzon doon. Naghihintay na sa set play itong blockers ng Letran. Mabagal yung dating yan sa kabila.
That's right. Estrellar. Makilang! With a cross-court kill. Puzon to Jonah. Sa likod si Silva. Makilang powers it through. A 3-point lead for Letran.
Ito kanina, napapansin natin, low fast sets. Ngayon, kapag porsyentuhan na, latter part ng sets, high ball sets na eh. Makilang, power,
Main gunner, no?
uy!
Oh,
Serve.
wow. Dolorito! Return to sender.
Wow! Good timing by De La Cruz. Any tura for that kill block. Power din yung spike ni Dolorito. That time, bet, sarado ang bangko para kay Dolorito. Kill block para kay...
One good pass happened for them. Heavy serve. Tracked down by Estrellar. Makilang! Gia Letran is 2 points away from tying the match. Judel, cross court. It's good. Set point. Letran.
Good serve.
Oh, overpass! Pero napaganda para sa Letran.
Angel Ledesma.
And that's how we will end the second set.
Serve.
Puzon tracking it down. Here's Jaja Tulang. Guiding it to Silva, who saves it. Eto si Martin. Nasa likod si Lopez. Backset, papunta kay Tulang. Nando naman si Silva.
Good dig by Silva.
Martin with the off speed. Popped up, saved by Lopez. Buhay pa to.
Free ball para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Estrelier to Martin, the push. She is denied.
That set was too low and too fast para makapag-adjust pa si Martin galing sa isang transition play at nakapwesto na rin ang blockers ng Lyceum Lady Pirates. That time, nahihirapan na. Ganda ng balik ni Tulang that time.
Serving.
She's too tall for that set. Kaya
Yeah.
so,
Only played, I think, in the first two sets. Tama ba? Yeah. Pero ito yung bawi ng LPU Lady Pirates.
Jaja Tulang reminiscing her
Right behind.
good serve.
El Pascual. Martin. Oh! Yan Martin. Ang bilis kong bawi para sa Letran.
Yen
Oo.
Martin.
Put down. Ito si Duguna mula sa likod. Nandun si Martin. They go back to Gia. Gia rises. Oh, catching the corner pocket is the rookie Gia Makilang.
Ang ganda ng variations ni Makilang with 9 points already for this match. Makita natin kanina, medyo sina-challenge siya yung deep cross court na
Angel Ledesma.
sharp angle.
Puzon. Nice serve. Better pickup though. Makilang is denied.
Bako.
Ganda ng habol ni Osada.
Ayan, 16-10. Oh. Action continues here in set number 3. Martin drops it in.
Yeah,
The biggest
Martin.
lead for the Lady Knights.
Miscommunication on the side of the Lyceum Lady Pirates. Nagkalituan si Lopez. Dalawang Lopez. Kung sinong kukuha nun.
Yeah.
Pwede sana yung isang Lopez na i-overhead lang niya, ipapasa niya using her hands.
Martin serves. Martin from LPU. Makilang. Drop! Gumana ulit para kay Gia Makilang.
Kay Jaja Tulang.
Puzon. Rock solid on the serve. Estrelier. Nitura pots it down to end set number 3.
Jay Nitura, sabi niya, tigil na natin to. Going that for that
3-2 again. Stacy Lopez. Estrelier to Ledesma.
Angel
good job by
Ledesma.
Estrella, recognizing na ang ganda ng pasok ni Ledesma that time and rewarding her kill block earlier. Sobrang laking confidence booster niya.
Nag-adjust na dun si Nitura.
Mm.
Good serve though. Oh, Tulang this time for the quick.
Jaja Tulang.
Nalilito na ako, Martin, kung ano ba talaga ang pwesto.
Siyempre walang bantay dun na naka-adjust para sa LPU. Oh, Osada. That one was dug up. And Osada
Hirosama.
naregaluhan sa net.
Oo, good play galing kay Osada, recognizing na babalik yung first ball ni Silva that time, tipping it over. Easy point.
Very active and yung
May killer
second
instinct.
jump, oo. Kumbaga full commitment. Venice Puzon with a service ace.
Ito yung
Hasn't happened in this match at all. Oh, Puzon with back-to-back aces.
back-to-back aces para sa ating back-to-back best setter awardee na si Denise Puzon na alam din naman natin na sobrang dominant din. Mas lalo pag kinakailangan. Pag
Jonah, been a while for her. Estrelier, Almirante, where did that come from?
I know, I was about to... Dapat safety na lang.
That's right. Almirante, oh, lakas nung atake ni Almirante.
Saan galing yung ganong atake ni Almirante? Nakakagulat, Martin.
Meron pa palang ganito si Coach O.
Oh.
Kay Almirante with only Venice Puzon right in front of her. Headshot. Ito, Jaika Lopez sends it over.
Chance ball para sa Letran.
Makilang again.
Gia
Makilang once again
Makilang.
recognizing the advantage she has over Venice Puzon na medyo maliit for that down the lane area para maabot yung high leaper na si Makilang.
16-7.
18-19. Letran trimming the lead to 1. Dolorito denied. Single block
Judiel
by Nitura.
Jay Nitura.
19 all in set 4. Oh, a good serve by Nats. And it's an ace. Letran surges ahead.
Wow!
Set number 4 and overtaking LPU. Back-to-back aces.
Natalie
For Nat Estrelier.
back-to-back service aces.
And it is a 2-point lead for Letran.
Oh, wow. With the help of the
Timeout,
net.
LPU.
Turns out, Coach Oliver is right. Maturity, why it matters the most. Pinakita ng Letran Lady Knights.
Coach O with a
Pasa tayo na
celebration.
maayos.
Yes, Coach. Ming Ming. A test.
Good
nerves. Rock.
Release.
Solid. At the service
ace.
line, Ming Ming Puzon.
Ang ganda ng bawi ni Venice Puzon that time. Pagbalik sa service line, napatimeout agad si Coach
Timeout
Oliver
for
Almadre.
Letran.
The blockers. Nakabuelo si Dolorito. Easy up for Martin. Netura backhand it again. And it is match point. Letran lead 24. Yeah, good serve. Estrelier for the match. Netura. Bumalik. Oh.
Touch, LPU.
LPU with an
Point is
error.
awarded to Letran.
And that ultimately ends the match.
A very anticlimactic ending para sa Letran.